The DW65V was designed specifically as a drop-in pump for Volkswagen and Audi applications, such as 1.8T, 2.0 TSI, and 2.0 TFSI applications. Two part numbers are available to fit: forward-wheel drive 9654 and all-wheel drive 9655. The DW65V flows 265 lph at 40 psi, which is 40% more than the factory Audi TT fuel pump. In addition, the DW65V features a quiet and reliable turbine impeller which is compatible with pulse-width modulated pump drivers. The pump also features an encapsulated armature for compatibility with ethanol-based fuels.